Dear learners, hope you have watched the first part of the lesson on chapter 6, Swadesh. Let's move to the next page, page number 68. Have you opened your book, dear butterfly? Yes? Okay. You must read with me. Let's read together. Suddenly there was a whistle. Whistle, you know, a shrill sound. Here it is a whistle of a train. A Calcutta-bound train was coming to platform number 2. I assume perhaps you have seen before some large stations with so many platforms like Shialda, Kolkata, Howrah. Am I right? Here, this station is to reach Calcutta. And the Calcutta bound train means the destination of the train is Calcutta. Now, the Calcutta bound train was coming to platform number 2. Swadesh clutched his canvas bag tightly. That means he held his canvas bag or grasped his canvas bag tightly, strongly. Canvas means canvas is a type of rough cloth and he held it tightly. That means he was cautious about his bag. He boarded the train and took a corner seat. Boarded means got into. That means he got into the train and took a corner seat. The train started moving. It started to move. He recalled the incidents of the previous evening. He recalled. That means he remembered what happened in the previous evening, last evening. That means sitting on a corner seat, he recalled. That means he remembered the incidents of the last evening. Now we will move to the next page. But before that, we will learn some meanings. Okay? Look, here is a sky blue patch and some meanings are there. You have to learn these all by heart. Now come to the next page. Page number 69. Let's learn what happened in the previous evening. Let's read. Yesterday evening, Swadesh was studying in his room. Suddenly, that means all of a sudden, his elder brother entered the room in a hurry. He was in a hurry. He studied in a college. He means the elder brother of Swadesh. He studied in a college. He was also deeply involved in the freedom movement. What is freedom movement? You know, in the previous video lesson, we have discussed on the freedom movement of our country. Isn't it? Now, he was also deeply involved in the freedom movement. That means the elder brother of Swadesh, who was studying in a college, he was deeply involved. That means he was deeply engaged in the freedom movement. I'm in great trouble, brother. The British police are chasing me. But I have to deliver some secret papers to our leader, Mr. Basu. He is now in Calcutta. He said breathlessly. That means he said in one breath without taking any breath. I am in great trouble, brother. He said to his brother that he was in a great trouble. That means in a problem, great problem. What is the problem? What was the problem? The British police are chasing me. That means the British police were chasing the elder brother of Swadesh. They were running after him to catch him. But I have to deliver some secret papers to our leader, Mr. Basu. That means he had to deliver, that means hand over some secret papers to their leader, Mr. Basu. This Mr. Basu might be our Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose or Mr. Binay Basu. But however, we do not know actually who he was, but he was Mr. Basu. He is now in Calcutta. That means Mr. Basu, their leader, was then in Calcutta. So, what are you going to do now? Asked Swadesh. Swadesh asked that what he was going to do that time. What he wanted. He was anxious. His elder brother seemed undecided. That means the elder brother of Swadesh looked undecided. That means he couldn't take any decision. Swadesh told him, I can do your job. He wanted to do that job of his elder brother. The police do not know me. The police would not recognize him, he said to his brother. Look how brave he was. What a bravery, what a courage, what a love for his motherland were in him. Now to the next page. But my dear brother, your life may be in danger. He loved his brother dearly. It is very usual. He knew the danger of this job, and usually he loved his brother dearly. It's very much usual. Everybody loves his dearest or nearest ones dearly. So his elder brother warned Swadesh, can't I at least do this for my motherland? Swadesh insisted. He wanted to take risk for his motherland. This risky job he wanted to do. All right then. But be very careful. This bag contains many secret documents. Swadesh forced to do that dangerous job, that risky job. So his elder brother at last gave the permission but warned him. His voice trembled with emotion. Emotion means strong feeling. Strong feeling for his motherland. And also there was anxiety for his younger brother. His voice trembled with emotion. It means his voice shivered with strong feeling. He handed the bag over to his brother Swadesh and said, Bande Mataram. You know, Bande Mataram is a Sanskrit word. It means we salute, we worship our mother, our motherland. You all know the song Bande Mataram. Now move to the next page, page number 71. Suddenly, the train stopped with a jerk. Suddenly, all of a sudden, the train stopped. So, jerk is very usual. He was brought back to the present. Some policemen were walking down the platform. They were coming towards his compartment. "Stay where you are. Don't move. We will search everyone," they announced. They declared and ordered everybody not to move, to stay. He realized at once that he had to escape. Swadesh understood at once that he had to run away. No other way was there. Quickly he found a window with a broken grill. He hesitated for a moment. For a while he was a bit confused. Now let's move to the next page, page number 72. Then he jumped out of the window. He jumped out of the window through the broken grill. He fell on a bush. Bush was there. He fell on the bush. He got up and started running and running. The ground was uneven and he stumbled. The ground was uneven. That was rough, not even. So the running was not so easy. But he was running because no other way was there for him. He continued to run. Swadesh had a long way to go because he had a dream in him to make his motherland free from the British, to get the freedom of his motherland. Dear friends, my learners, we are proud of Swadesh, isn't it? We have honor and respect for such patriots. But remember, you all also must have love, respect, and patriotism in your mind, in your heart, for your motherland. You have to protect your country. You have to save your country. You must be proud of your country, your motherland, India. Thank you, dear learners. Stay safe and blessed always. Thank you, dear. Thank you all.